Hello, this is your musician friend AK coming at you with the songs that you love to hear and play. Today's song is More Than Anything, and that is by Lamar Campbell. We're in the key of A flat on today. And you know what? This song was requested by Carl Thorne. Thank you so much, Carl, for this awesome request. And to my Numerical Melodies family, if there's a tune you want to hear, drop it in the comments and I will bring it to life. All right, guys, we're in the key of A flat. Let's get it. That's A flat, B flat, C, D flat, E flat, F, G, and A flat. Of course, this is Numerical Melodies. We have to run through that with our numbers. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1. Guys, we're going to do like we always do. Let's just go ahead and stretch out our hands. Let's crack our knuckles. Yep, let's get it. And I think we're ready. Let's get ready to play this awesome song, More Than Anything.
If you love him, just lift your hands and say, God, I love you more than anything. Hallelujah. Everybody lift your hands and let's begin to worship by saying, say this. I love you, Jesus. I worship and adore you. I just want to tell you that I love you more than anything. If that's your testimony, lift your hands and say it with me. I love you, Jesus. I worship and adore you, yeah. I worship and adore you. Just want to tell you. Just want to tell you. That I love you. Yeah. Come on, let's let it ring out. Fire, take it up.
To all my numerates, let's take this time out and count our numbers. Easy song, guys. We're going to get through it. It's a lot. We're going to break it up into sections. So we're starting out with this beautiful intro. Let me give you that beautiful intro. We're on our 1 and we're playing this C in our right hand. Going to our 7, going to our B flat in the right hand. Then we're playing our 6 and we're going to our A flat in the right hand. Going to our 5, G in the right hand. We're playing our B flat major chord right here on the 5 flat. Nice movement here. All we're doing is we're going to the 3 and we're playing our E flat sus2 chord, resolving on our B flat major chord on the 2. Going to our 5, that's a D flat 7 chord. Stand on the 5 and we're playing this B flat diminished 7 chord. Going to our 1, that's an A flat major chord. And of course they're doing this nice movement. All I'm doing is I'm playing A flat, E flat, A flat, and I'm adding this G right here. So we're going, here's the next chord, F, A flat, D flat, A flat. Here's our next chord, that's a D flat, A flat, B flat, A flat. Resolve on the E flat, A flat, C, A flat. And then we start our song with this beautiful chord here. We're on a 5. We're playing this, it's really just a D flat major chord. We're adding that E flat. All right, so here we go. I lift my hands in total adoration unto you. All right, let me give you that. We're on our 1. We're playing an A flat major chord. We're going up to our 3. This is an A flat sus2 chord. We're going to our 4, E flat major chord. Stand on the 4 and we're playing this F minor 7 chord. Going to our 5 for this A flat sus2 chord. And resolve with the E flat major chord on the 5. You reign on the throne, for you are God and God alone. Let me give you those chords. We're going to our 1 A flat major chord, going to our 3, same, it's almost the same, right? That's a A flat sus2 chord, going up to our 5 flat, and we're playing this B flat major chord. Walking on up, we're going to our 6 flat, and we're playing our D flat diminished 7 chord. They're doing this nice walk up. Let me give you that. So we're just really walking the scale, right? We're going A flat, B flat, C, D flat. Then we're going right here to this chord. That's an F minor 7 on the 4. All right, we're going to our A flat 6 chord on the 6. All right, what is that beautiful progression? We're just going A flat major on the 1, going to the 7, E flat major. I love that beautiful melody, guys. So we're going to our 7. This is a 7-3-6 progression, guys. We're on our B flat minor chord. Going to our C dominant 7 chord on the 3. Then we're going to our 6, and we're playing this A flat major chord. And we're going right back to the beginning. All right, so next we got love me in your arms. You were the shelter from the storms. All right, let me give you that. So we're on our 2. We're playing this beautiful chord here. Grab it. We're going to our 5, E flat major chord. We're just walking our bass down. Stay right there on the E flat major chord. Going to the 4. Then we're going to our 3, that's an A flat major chord. Walk it on down. We're going to our 2, that's a D flat sus2 chord. Then we're going right back to our 1, that's an A flat major chord. Then guys, we go right back to that beautiful chord, that transitional chord. Right? When all my friends were gone, you were right there all alone. All right, let me give you that. We're going to our 5, E flat major chord. Going up to our 7, same E flat major chord. Then they're doing this nice 5-1-4 progression. All right, let me give you that. So what we're doing is we're going to our 5. We're playing this G flat 7 chord. We're resolving on our A flat 13 chord. So now we're going to our 4, and that's an A flat 6 chord. I never knew a love like this before. Oh. All right, let me give you that. All we're doing is we're doing a 7-3-6 progression. They're doing that a lot in this song, guys. So we're doing this right here, this chord, F, G, B flat, D flat. We got a 7 in our bass. Going to our 3, we're playing this C dominant 7 chord. Then we're going to our 6, and we're playing this A flat 6 chord. And then we're going to our B flat major chord on the 5 flat. Again, we're going right back to the beginning. All right, so here's the next part. The next part is going into the I love you, Jesus. The part that everybody loves, right? So we're going Jesus, I worship and adore. Let me give you that. So what we're doing is we're going to our G flat 7 chord on the 5. Going to our 1, we're playing this E flat diminished 7. Then we're going to our 4. This 4, we're playing an F minor 7. I love you, Jesus. Beautiful progression there. Then we're going to our 6. That's an E flat major chord. I worship and adore you. All right, so all I'm doing is I'm going to my 7. That's an E flat major chord. Then we're going to our 1. We're playing this G flat 7 chord. Resolve on the E flat diminished 7 on the 1. Just want to tell. Same progression. All I'm doing is I'm going 4. That's an F minor 7 chord. I'm going to the 6, and that's an E flat major chord. Lord, I love you more than anything. All right, so all I'm doing is I'm going, Lord, I love. We're going to the 7 E flat major chord. You going to our 1. That's an A flat major chord. More. Same G flat 7 chord. Going to our 3, we're just walking on up, right? We're playing that E flat diminished 7 chord. And then we're playing our 4, that's an A flat 6 chord. Guys, I hope this song was a blessing for you. Awesome lesson. Today's life lesson is the idea that came too early. I remember standing in the kitchen as a kid, staring down a stubborn bowl of rock hard ice cream. Spoon in hand, I pressed harder and harder until it bent just enough just to remind me I was fighting a losing battle. My mom had already warned me, don't put the ice cream in the microwave like last time. Apparently, melted ice cream soup wasn't the goal. So I did the only thing left to do. I waited. And that's when it hit me. What if the spoon could do the work? I started imagining it right there at the counter. An electric ice cream scooper. You plug it in, and just like an iron heats up, the scoop would gently warm. Not enough to melt the whole bowl, just enough to glide through the ice cream like butter. No waiting, no bent spoons, just smooth, perfect scoops every time. At the time, it felt like a genius idea, but I was young. I didn't write it down, didn't tell anyone, didn't build anything. Life moved on, and so did I. The idea faded into the background like most childhood thoughts do. Years later, I'm sitting there watching a rerun of The Cosby Show, and suddenly I freeze. There it was, an electric ice cream scooper. The exact idea I had years before, now real, on a TV screen in someone else's hands. I just sat there half amazed, half sick to my stomach. Not because someone stole my idea, but because I never did anything with it. Life lesson. Ideas are common. Execution is rare. If you don't act on what comes to you, someone else eventually will. Awesome job, guys. Let's give ourselves a hand. Yes, thank you so much for coming in and working with me on today. And Carl Thorne, thank you again for that awesome request. Please request more. Guys, you know what? This is the time of the video that I tell you that we are on the road to, yep, I heard you say it, 1 million. Let's give it up for the 1 million.
And if Numerical Melodies got you smiling like it's your little secret, don't be stingy. Spread the joy. Tell somebody about us.
We have a bell. I would love it if you can hit that bell because a video that is new is coming right to you. And right next to that bell is a subscribe. Yep, a subscribe button. Guys, you know what? It takes 3 seconds. I believe you can hit it in 3 seconds. Let's try it. 3, 2, 1. Bam! I see you just hit it. Hey, you just hit that bell. Guys, you have just made my day. I appreciate you. And remember, you're not just playing the music. You are the music. This is AK signing off.